Welcome back, continuing the news. If you are experiencing sudden severe joint pain, especially in your big toe, this could be a sign of a gout attack. Shamela Pullen explains in this evening's edition of the Health Report.
Gout is a type of arthritis that causes sudden and severe joint pain, typically in the big toe. It's caused by excess uric acid in the body, which can lead to the formation of crystals in the joints.
There are other features now. When it's chronic, you can have, deformity around the joints, swellings, etc., etc. And in this situation, there's a condition that you have to really diagnose clinically called pseudo-gout, where the patient have the symptomatology of the joint pathology. And the main joint that are usually affected, as I said, the main one is at in the great toe, but it can affect the ankle, that can affect the knee as well. And the doctor have to be very astute once he sees something like that to be able to start thinking gout.
Other risk factors of gout include alcohol consumption, obesity, and persons on cancer treatment. Gout is more common in men, especially those between 40 and 50 years old.
And it's almost, apart from the genetic predisposition, almost entirely related to your diet. People who absorb, in fact, in the old days, they used to say that gout affects rich people because they are able to eat a lot of meat, like, beef and that type of thing. And those things, when they break down, they'll form uric acid.
If you're experiencing symptoms of gout, it's important to seek medical attention for proper diagnosis and treatment. Treatment options include medication to manage pain and inflammation, as well as lifestyle changes to prevent future episodes.
I think if you look at our diet today in the world, we eat too much protein, and we need to regulate that amount. And how do I need to regulate it? The cardiologist will tell you it's very important that for the week you probably should have meat, probably 3 times, and for the rest of the time you go more vegetarian to create a balance. And each time, in fact, if you think about it, the amount of protein we require in a day is just about 0.8 to 1.2 grams per kilogram.
Persons are also encouraged to monitor uric acid levels, limit alcohol intake, avoid sugary drinks, manage stress, stay hydrated, and rest. With our health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.